This is how you enable and disable app permissions on your iPhone. These permissions are for things like location services, microphone access, camera access, Bluetooth access. There's a whole bunch of different things you can set. To do this, we go into the Settings app and we scroll down to Privacy and Security. And then all these options in here are going to give us toggles to turn on and off for apps. So if we go to Location Services, this will allow us to choose which apps and devices on your phone are allowed to use location services. Down here, I recognize all these as apps. Up here, for example, the camera, the compass. You tap into any one, you can have it never allowed to use location services, ask next time or when I share, and used while using the app. And you can specify that for all the apps on your phone that could possibly use location services. If we scroll down a little bit, we have camera. We can toggle which apps are allowed to have camera access and which aren't. And you'll notice also these aren't full lists of apps. If I go to the microphone, here are all the ones that request microphone access or think they need microphone access. So if you have an app that doesn't need microphone access at all, it wouldn't be on this list. So only the ones that could possibly use it are on here, and you can turn them on and off individually. So this is how you set app permissions very specifically for your apps to make sure that your privacy is not violated by some of these apps. Not that they do it intentionally, but you never know. So it's best to go in here and specifically determine what should have access to what. The safest thing you can do is generally on location services, as you saw, choose ask next time or when I share, because a lot of these things, they work better when they can access things like location services or your microphone or your camera. So I always have it or usually have it set to ask. This one clearly isn't. And if you want to secure your iPhone even further and make sure it's scam proof, this free PDF document is going to help you do that. I created this for you. You can download it for free. Just scan this QR code or click the link on the top of the description or at the top of the pinned comment, and you can get to it and download that for free. So make sure you check that out. And next up, check out this video right here, which is going to help you determine whether your phone is being tapped or not. Super important to do that once in a while. So make sure you check out that video. If you got value from the one you just watched, like and subscribe to let me know, and I'll see you on this one.